It's a good morning to you. Welcome to Asake Online. My name is Zenzele Ndebele and this is the Breakfast Club.
Mina ngizelwe entabeni eMnyama eMatopo district. Ngizelwe ngo-1948 5 April. Singaphansi kuka-Chief Nzula. Usobhuku wayengu-Ubhejani Nyoni.
Yeah, so lina ezombangazwe lezi liqalisa uba le interest lazo nini?
I began falling in love with the politics of the liberation struggle. Initial, I met abantwana bakamsika at St. James, and that was 1963. Usibusisiwe, umtaka late, ufindo mpofu, kamabhodofo. These were bonala abantu initial babe detained yikona buzingwa abantwana babo saba labo esikolo ukuthi lo engumntaka bani uyiso wa detain umntaka Bhango ubani wa detain umntaka Msika wa detain. That thing gave us, you know, as a group ngilabo abanye abahambe empini, although one of them is late, very close person, Sasikoka Sonke, Ernest Bafana Sibanda from Cholocho. We're in the same class, grade standard 4. That's when 1963. Ngahamba uksi lokho kunjalo. Then 1966 ngisesayiri ngisenza uform 1. The previous year kwakule drought inkomo zafa. Umdala said, mntanami mina nje uyambona ngisebenza eplazini inzuzo yami very little. Isayiri now I can't afford. I complete to 66 doing form 1. When I was supposed to go 67 to go for form 2, imali wasn't yaphela. Ngabuya lapha koBulawayo ngizodinga umsebenzi. 67, 68, 69 ngo May ngazoza umsebenzi some construction company. Ngayahlangana lo umuntu sibili wanginika iroute eqondile nguNaison Nyoni owayese lapha eNtabazinduna. Ngiwanginike iroute le yokuthi ugodo Botswana ngafike eBotswana uhambe refugee camp la uzafika uzintroduce baza kuncedisa khona ngalo. That was enough. 69, end of 69, I left this country. Ngaya eBotswana, ngafika eFrancistown. Francistown there ngahlala almost 2 weeks. Then ngase abantu engangibathole lapha. Ngangithole uElot Moyo lo Herbert Maphosa, we representative bangincedisa. Abantu esahamba sonke abanye engabafica bekhona ngafica uAbel Mazinyane retired brigadier singama recruit sonke ngazofi uChimo Inyathu James Sakuphanya was once he died eZambia under ebulawa ngamabhoni uJames Sakuphanya Dennis Mpande, Matswaha Mbuzana from Malalume, Makuchwa, Roy Madlela. Ngiba abantu engabafika sasisuke eFrancistown sebe haya isithengela ama tickets sasihamba impatches abanye bahambe sasicila safikana futhi eZambia. Yeah. Okunye futhi what reinforced into engasuka la initial In 1967 ngisechabalala ngihlala kumalume ngidinga umsebenzi. I-1 bedrooms.
Yes.
Sasi lami njengoba ngabe sengani yakwanisha ukuba newspaper. Isibale ukuhlaselwa amagorilla and so forth konke lokho. Kwazophuma i-article ama volunteers laba babe ku ama conscripts ama students kwekhiwa okuthiwa utrooper eThafi bamdubula izibunu kwaphuma le picture ukudubula lapho. That thing spirit lana yasala within me. This is why it wasn't difficult for uNison uLokozanyoni ukuthi siqoqe ipolitics abantu bavele sokungungunwa kukhulunywa ngabantu abadetheniwe and so forth. They need to liberate ourselves. Yes. Ngithi futhi they need to liberate myself nase ngizibonile isikolo angisahamba. Raising ubaba uyayisebenzela isebenza ekitchen epheka waze cook baba lapha eplazini khona lapha engizalelwe khona ngakhulela lapha la kade esingihlala khona apha anzange ngisuke ngihlezi ngekhaya lami. Yeah.
So you get to Zambia, what happens there?
I get to Zambia. This is the 70 in 1970. We as a group we totaled about 11 or 12 amanyama recruits. Sathwalwa sisiya eTanzania eMorogoro for training. Safika a bigger group ababefike earlier ngo 69 eMorogoro camp lapho sa trainer lokho belindele training saqalisa training lapho singu 75 sasingu 75 although abanye bagcina bebaleka due to some other things ezabakhathazayo. eMorogoro ucamp commander wayengu Ambrose Mdiniri, uchief of staff engu Alfred Unikite Umangela, political commissar engu Lokhoza engu Lookout Umasu, logistics wengu usemfakazi, then security was in charge of the security Mutapsol Komani Ukoto Nyai. But amanye ama-instructors ama-instructors ayekhona, they are about 12 or so. We're charged with different levels assignment of training, specialization and so forth. Safika ke eMorogoro safika vele kule 2 platoons, kwakulo platoon A no platoon B. Platoon A was led by Ulaji Dube, Umodi Dube from Brown Trade. Platoon B led by Jeffery Masego, who retired Major General. Jeffery Masego. You get him, man?
Yes, yes.
In that same platoon, ngaba ku section B. Section A kwakulo uLemon Khumalo umntakathuka Lennon Dliwayo. Section B was led by Umnyamana Uchilis Ungwenya. Section C was led by Solomon Ndlovu. Ukhomisa lapha wayengu uGeti uRichard Dube ku A. Ku B ukhomisa wayengu uPhilmon Ngayisa uChris Foster Sibanda. section C ukhomisa waye nguMasala Sibanda.
So you do your training the you are sent back to Zambia.
Yeah. Sa trainer guerrilla warfare le regular.
Yeah.
Guerrilla warfare took more, and then irregular and then even then we subdivided into special groups. Some were reconnaissance, some were went for logistics, some artillery, some engineering and so forth. Fortunately, engineering group, soon 5. There was Cassius, Cde Murwiri, Joshua, Udlangamandla. Yeah, those I still remember. Suspect delegate training, pass out say locals. We were smuggled, being 9. Now let's just cut after problems as experience as I was saying, thriving on division. Or Uchkerema Labo Jason. At the time Tinas Figangali, or I lead the external mission, why Uchkerema. Quaglos Kerema, Ujoji Nyandoro, Jason, Edward Umbakwa, George Slundik, Uchkerema was a silly mistake. Why invite my journalists? Why I'm happy? Fully my comrades cross into the country.
Yeah.
That led to problems. Until I said, onions men were destroyed.
Yeah.
That was the end of Uchkerema goes up. Esenjalo abantu bathi ungathola abantu uhambela bemfuleni laba abantu yi-part of ama-British and so forth noma engxenye bayi-rotation they share information. Yeah, problem. So
this leads to the 1971.
Yeah, 71. Sahlala ke Tanzania thina sasingasavunyelwa any other activity or ukusuka eTanzania official usiza eZambia kwaku impossible. We were visited by uJason what I majaha selingenile ku file screen selisele lini yini selizawuphakamisa umsebenzi. For sure, when he said so, when I says in 1972, ngifika eLusaka, that's when I realized ukuthi umdala wayekhuluma iqiniso. Elipheleleyo elingabuzeki elala namhla lokho elimile lithe. Sisuke ke Tanzania uJason heading now I struggle ngaphandle. Goes up, which led to the formation of ZPRA. Prior to ZPRA, there was special affairs.
Yes.
Prior to ZPRA. ZPRA, we are the pillars of ZPRA.
So you are the pioneers of ZPRA?
ZPRA, Zimbabwe People's Revolutionary Army. We are the pioneers, although kwakulabanye not saying downplaying the role those who were gone before us.
Yes.
They did. And we only were to resuscitate the army. They had no records. Even the fighting force at the front, kwakungasela. Sabuya singu 9. 2 mina ngasale HQ, lo Lemon sasale HQ. 7 ba proceed to EDK.
EDK kwakuyini
e front.
Okay.
A front. That is 1972 March.
So when the 1970, the whole of 71, when there's this split in Zapu, so the fighting stops.
The fighting stopped in 1980. 1980. Yeah, in 1970. Towards the end of 1970.
Yes.
Then it brew a crisis. There's uskere meseten. Wahamba lama locals, lama journalists go crossing point.
Yeah.
Without informing my colleagues.
Yeah.
Well, it led to problems. As about so serious about to fractured. Some of our colleagues who are now prominent, bahamba bathwala bahamba kubo UK. Tina, when uMakokoba says you seli pasile, you are the finest, aren't you? Sisi select and then Saba yi
So Makokoba was Lundi.
Aye, which I saw.
Okay, also why did you call him Makoko?
Aye, wasukele Makokoba wayevele hlale Makokoba.
Okay.
Which I saw more.
Okay.
Sitting Makokoba. Sorry, I'll always say look note when I say Makokoba.
I say Kupalepa.
Yeah, which I saw. See, local. Si figure laba olokuzen high command AIC exister ngaleso skhat. So was headed by Alfred Mangena, Arabi Roger Bakai Mangena, chief of staff, deputized by Lookout Masuk. Intelligence was Utapson command. Chief of operations, of which I am very, I'll even shed my tears. JD has never been recognized. He has never been recognized. He's still languishing a leprosy cemetery in Zambia. He was chief of operations. Logistics was Kenny up. Okay. Chief of logistics waba ngo report umpoku phelele vele. Chief of personnel uSifasicele. These are the people who operationalized instructions from the remaining members of the external mission, of which they had incorporated junior officers like Tabengwa, Utumiso Tabengwa, or Akim, or Ethan, and so forth. Babagu, Revolutionary Council, structure SSC runner in struggle.
So after 1971, you not only do you have ZPRA, you then also have the Revolutionary Council.
Yeah, Revolutionary Council.
Okay.
Revolutionary Council headed by Ujaiso, chairman. Uslundi, publicity remained publicity since you are the publicity of Zapre Sugakwanarab. Lokuza, Edward, organization. Then ama juniors labanye awulokhuza uDabengo waba ku lokhuza waba ngu-secretary of the Revolutionary Council. Ethan was Ethan Ndlovu waba ku security. Having sat down, come up with an order, resuscitate, establish the forces, recruit, store, resuscitate goes with establishment of a presence in the country. A recruitment, more recruits must come. Because abantu basebebalutshwana ababekhona. Go with the message. Sasithi singenza ngoma operations wethu silahla ama pamphlets amakhadi ezapho in that operation ukuthi sitshela abantu ukuthi we are still there. Sikhona siyala. Then storage uyasizofaka izikhala ngekhaya. if possible, recruit and train phakathi ekhaya. All those things were practical. Sazenza, fully implemented, all of them. One, that was in April, after we from Tanzania. A group of 3 under the command of Roger, whereas Machimini, Ujeke Umpofu, Cde Ndebele, Abel Mazinyana retired. This was our first operation as a group. Mind you, trainer la laba ngu-April. Laba abanye babe traine phambilini kwethu. Market, I think, was trained to go 67. Machimini la there kukhonale. Angila detail la ukuthi waye training. Safika babambana. Baya. They conducted an operation. COVID.
So this is the first operation.
Yeah. Under ZPRA.
Yeah.
That was our first operation. We were to blow COVID rail line. Yeah. But while I my explosives by mine. Istimela sithe sifika. Zubu. Yeah? As heading for it follows.
Yeah.
Eh? Adubu. Amakhiwa said. Istimela sibhewulwe izindwangu. The baboons put stones on the line.
Yeah.
Surprise. But these 3 bachona bebalandela. Kwalapana anti yabona Livingstone kule Gorges lapha kule ndawo abacrossa khona.
Yeah.
Abacrossela khona. I-command omangena uTapson uJD bebamelele on the other side ukuthi you go and do this, you come back. Our mission zingasala khona khona siyaqalisa ukuthi sidinga abanye abantu futhi ukuthi because bona laba out i7 le safica kuhombe kwakule 5 baba ngu12 baba ku13. Yeah, I still remember they were 13. So kwahamba 3 kwakusele 10. Bengayikho ndawo yinye futhi abanye babe exactly ngapha eLivingstone eCountry House, abanye be CDK ngapha ko Siya Kanenge. Esenza kulandisela ukuthi imoto yona le operation yona le instruction yona le resuscitation. Our mission was to cover from Kazungula to Feira. And
yeah,
we cross. We conduct a mission. We carry out a mission. Mostly it was mine warfare. Sasi, if along the fighting road, along the Zambezi border, ukuvalela amagorela ukuthi angacross abaza abona. So became a target umgwaqo lo. Over the night, 3 or 4 comrades are crossed. They go and lay the mine at night, and then go back Zambia. Cross back to Zambia. Figure Zambia, Zambia ngale. Alisahlale camp le. Seli suka imoto ingena moto selisiya another next point. Eh? So we had Kazungula mostly we were operating for area in Livingstone. Ama mines asilianga. Sibuye lapha we ADK. It was a much wider area. I think Sesingena, Libizi, Lukosi, Mateso, Zambezi, and so forth. Contacting abantu. We are still there. See as a recruit abantu abanye
so so when there is this fight or Ochkerema they going for Mifloris, ama comrades ayesevele egu front, what happened to them? Did they also defect?
To say the least, ababese emabhesini eZambia iningi labo bahamba.
So ngapha eZimbabwe kwakungiyela.
Hayi kwakungasela, there was no fighting bese. Owayekhona lapha enxeye wayevese establish wasihlalela wasithulela. I don't remember sisithi thina our units having gone in but sifica abanye bevele sebekhona.
Yeah.
Kwakungiyela. Ngifuna ukutshela iqiniso Ndebele. Zenzele, telling you the truth. Abantu bayakha bakhuluma izinto ezingamanga abanye. Ngikutshela iqiniso kwakungiyesela. Ababesele the few ngakubalela ama-trained cadres esaficayo engilokhu ngisabakhumbula. I will give you a few ababesele ku-group zona ezazaboshikerela. I-fighting person kwakulo uBob Mkhwananzi, uDonki, uJoseph Dube, uMachimini, uNjenjema, uJeki, uLemi, uDeni, uDeni Shinkweni. Those are the people I can still remember.
Yes.
Aye, I'm khumbula abanye. Aye.
So you build this from the ones there. Yeah.
ZPRA. Yes. Wawuza ukuthi ngudeputy ukurecognize ubani. Babethatha igroup yethu yena yani esatrainwayo eTanzania. Babe fitted into and even deployment. Mina ngise HQ angikhumbuli Ndebele. Kuthiwa hayi lizahamba lehlangana labanye ababekhona yini lizachapha labo balitshengisa ukuthi liyanga. We were opening up and establishing routes zokuthi ababuyayo and the units ezabuyayo, the trained personnel ezasezi were turning out bebuya babe joina bafike bahlale the camps that we established.
So at this time after 1971, this is when Nikita Mankiana is the commander now.
Yeah. Mostly 71 70 I can't talk much. Yeah. I'm talking on Kuluma 72 where I was practically involved.
Yeah.
Agula report ngadlula mina ngangise HQ adjutant ngafundiswa le typing ukuthi ngigcine njani ama records, compiling records for personnel yonke ama ZPRA ngangilawo, including labe sinikwe amanye ama files i-records ezaziphuma kwa ebadaleni bethu laba babengani ba training, we had them in of which today ngingazi kumbe uzwe anga can shed light ukuthi ama records ethu anyamalala njani, because khathesi kungizisa ubuhlungu ngangilama records personnel yonke, even if when I left it being elevated ukuthi ngihead technical engineering ngichiya kwakulama records operational personnel identity ukhona konke, pictures, everything akuchiya for somebody who is late now, Elias ovela emasendo babe hambe bonke lo late uleya ukakisa.